A novel approach for bone fracture detection using image processing. Bone fracture detection and classification has been a widely discussed topic, and many researchers have proposed different methods to tackle this problem. The existing system has an incredible number of people suffer from this disorder. The drawbacks are the current dataset is the absence of universal approaches to the radiographs among different hospitals and private practical centers. The proposed system network architecture we have gathered good experiment result. The Mura dataset were used in this project. The models are image preprocessing, network architecture and training. The block diagram has processing technique to detect the output. Some screenshots are: therefore, the normal bone value indicates 0 and the abnormal bone value indicates 1 using Mura dataset.